Hello, I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're disco in. This is a market brief. It's a gold brief. If I have time, I'll do a market brief. How you guys doing? I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. Please like, share, subscribe if you want this material to continue. Wow, what a day, what a day, what a day. It's a trader's paradise. Usually, when you have good gaps, sometimes you can ride them, and it's good to ride them sometimes. And I was lucky to ride them, and I sold. I got old cash. I had a beautiful week, unbelievable. I thought it would be a tough week, but it was a tough week. But I was lucky. I was lucky. I was lucky. It's just all pure luck. All right, so I think gold may have, maybe, most likely, I would say, would go through a corrective phase. Today was euphoric, really euphoric. So I don't know. I think we topped. Let me say we topped, okay? Um, we have a bear trap with beautiful, this is gold continuous futures. We have a bear trap, classic bear trap with good volume and good. So I'm doing this as I'm talking right here. Good volume, good places for bear trap, a bull trap, and we trapped a lot of bulls with euphoria, and maybe panic is the right correct word, but euphoria when it comes to gold. Okay, so this is ABC in gold, continuous futures. C is the 176 Fibonacci extension of C is C is the 176% Fib Fib extension of A to B. This is always a good place where smart money sell and hand the bag for the stupid money. Okay, this is ABC. Good. So that's for second. This is a rejection from this candle is a rejection from a place where the sellers gather, and I think you made a new yearly high, and you retraced to the previous month high. So definitely a bull trap. Okay, and also you have a classic bearish divergence. We have I, okay, high here, lower high, extremely lower high stochastic, and definitely the most important thing is this. It is the RSI. So you have an overbought, you missed it with a failure right here. Okay, so I, I would say that's a top. I really would say that. It's okay to say that. It's a top. Okay, so yeah, and I think I'm gonna buy dust tomorrow, maybe, or maybe on Monday. Maybe I should enjoy my weekend. So gold topped. Okay, good deal. Topped with ABC 176 rejection with this indecisive candle. I think we can have a blow off top tomorrow with beautiful negative divergence. Let's look at GDX. GDX did the same with above average volume. You poked a higher high. You trapped some bears and some bulls. Sorry, and boom boom high. and you did the same thing, negative divergence, definitely. With euphoria, you have to understand it's euphoria. A lot the gold bugs are euphoric, and you can see them all over the net, all over the Twitter, and a lot of people are talking about the banks are blowing up and all that crap. Good deal. Dust is definitely will tell me it bottomed. It trapped the bears. Okay, you make a new low with rejection, with an extremely above average volume, way above average volume that shows capitulation. You capitulate with rejection and bear trap, and definitely look at that positive divergence with a kiss formation by tomorrow. Kiss is the most powerful thing. If you remember my last video, I talked about the kiss. So a kiss is there. Mwah. All right, so kiss. So yes, GDX is topped. Gold has stopped. Dust has bottomed. UUP, it's gonna give me a kiss too. A kiss is everywhere, sweetheart. The VIX. So okay, so let's look at silver. I think silver is the same thing. Silver did not confirm that new high. It's definitely a lot of silver bull took it all the way. Yeah, it's gonna go down too. It's gonna go down. It's sad, doing silver and gold for sometimes. I know how people act at the top. Well, believe it or not, I was a dum today, and I bought Newmont. I did ride that bad boy for sometimes. I sold it, and I bought other things. And also, look at that bad boy. Yes. You're right. Kiss. Okay? And down we go. I really don't know where the bottom is. But as I said yesterday, you cannot have a healthy rally where Newmont is the dog. Newmont would always pull GDX down, okay? So we talked about GDX. And yes, it did top. Well, oh well. Yeah. Look how you did not confirm it. Look how it lagged. It lagged. It's disgustingly lagging GTX, lagging silver, lagging everything. This is a beautiful recipe for a top. Let me show you GLD Newmont ratio. Whoa. Easy there. Don't get excited here. Oh, come on, man. I'm not pushing the right thing here. Okay, GLD. This number here. NEM. Alright. This is GLD Newmont ratio. It is for sure. It's definitely topping. And you can see that in the weekly time frame. Let me show you. I have it here saved, GLDNEM. I think we have a top. So this is let's do the weekly. Look at this bad boy. Kiss. See, still. If it's in bullish mode, that means GLD is outperforming Newmont in the weekly time frame, and that means they're all gonna go down. Okay. Let me talk about the market. VIX looks like it's might retrace here, might not. As I said yesterday, I talked about this buy signal in the VIX, and that's what happened. And as I also stated yesterday, it's really not reliable lately. And I see a reversal, which is good for the market. So you have a positive divergence with a breakout. You're still in breakout mode, but you can see bullishness underneath the hood of the market. You could see that that the Q's is still in breakout mode here from Feb high, and you could see it's true that it's still in a kiss formation too. That's not good, and maybe it goes down, maybe not. The price instruction is really very limited so far, and the RSI is still over 50. I liked it, but I liked the most is Intel. I did trade that. I took at least less than 1%, maybe 1%. I've really forgot how much money I made in Intel today. Today I traded Intel and Newmont, and thank God I made good money, and I cashed out. So Intel is looking really bullish here. RSI is over 50. The stochastic is over 50, and we don't have the bullish MACD yet, but you have a breakout. I think I saved something here for Intel. Okay, Intel first one. It found buyers right here in the 38% Fibonacci retracement, which is good. You're definitely at buyer zone and extreme support. That's first. Second of all, this is the second one. You're still in breakout mode out of this consolidation area. Beautiful, beautiful consolidation and breakout and successful tests so far. That's why I could be bullish on tech right now. I'm not 100% bullish, but I could be. And if I want to, I would only trade Intel for the time being. Look at this golden cross, beautiful golden cross, and the price action is closing over the 20-day moving average, and the 10-day moving average now is up sloping. So I would love to see more bullishness for Intel, but I might, if it does not sell off, I might try to trade it again. So my next trade is going to be Dust, Intel. So far, I have to see where the market might go, but Dust and Intel are definitely on my list. Let me look at IWM, huh? Let me do that, bad boy. IWM rejection, but you have bearish indicators. Let me look at the volume. Maybe you have capitulation here, like you have in Dust. No, it's a normal volume, but you have rejection. It's almost a hammer, quasi hammer, but it's good rejection from buyer zone. Although you are in resistance now, you're not at support when it comes to volume by price, because this is the most traded area right here. So in order for you to have there's a lot of overhead resistance, so there's nothing bullish here yet. You have rejection from a buyer zone. So the market, let me look at S&P. There's nothing bullish so far, but the buyers are present, and you have bullish MACD, bullish disco signal with negative divergence. This never been good. So the market, there's nothing bullish about the market, but you could have bullishness in the market, but nothing bullish yet. I think the IWM, the only bullish thing about the IWM is the Bollinger Band. Let me look at that bad boy. Okay, I think it had rejection from the Bollinger Band, which might be good for the 20-day moving average. Well, this is good and bad. You closed inside of the Bollinger Band, but the most important thing, to have rejection at the lower end of the Bollinger Band. That will ensure mean reversion to the 20-day moving average. Not ensure, will increase probability of the mean reversion. So the market, I looked at the VIX, it's still bullish. I looked at the cues. There's nothing I can read at the market in the market right now. Let me look at TLT. TLT is definitely not good and not bad. It's I will show you now the okay. You have a bullish MACD, which is okay. You have a bullish disco combo so far, and also you are. I didn't prepare for this presentation. Sorry about that. Okay. So you have that convergence of these moving averages. Yes, yet we closed below the 10-day moving average, which is not bad, not good. You have a, it's indecisive. It's definitely indecisive. It's indecisive. So the yields, no one knows where it's going right now. It's really in no man's land. The market itself, it's trendless now. The bias is to the downside. There is no bullishness so far, just rejection from buyer zone. Also, the UUP, I think we might go through the KISS formation, so I think it's gonna go up. Gold has stopped, GDX has stopped, silver has stopped, all of this thing topped. I am extremely bearish on gold now, unbelievably bearish on gold now. So and indifferent when it comes to the market. Please like, share, subscribe, and do remember, this goes forever.